1999 Chevrolet Corvette, one of the removable roof coupes. Just came into us on a trade. This car was actually sold to the previous owner 13 years ago, and he just decided to get something a little newer, and has another Corvette that he also bought from us, so this was the one he decided to trade in on it. Very nice, well taken care of car, the gentleman that purchases from us. Very fussy individual, takes care of his cars. This car has not been stored outside, has not been driven in the winters, and I mean, it definitely shows. If you take a look at the paint and see how nice a luster it has to it. There's a couple little, if I'm going to get down here and show you, you can see the front fascia. It's not all full of chips. There's a couple small ones right up here. You can kind of see them. Other than that, this car is in extremely nice shape. A little over 40,000 miles on it. It is a 6-speed manual also, paired with that 5.7 liter in it. So it's got the nicer polished wheels. This also does have the Z51 performance handling package to it. Then a couple of back in '99, a couple of new and exciting features that they had came out with in the Corvettes was that heads-up display. This car does have the heads-up display. It also has a telescoping wheel, as well as a Twilight Sentinel. Those are some of the new goodies you could get in '99, and this car has them. You can also see how nice the interior, well taken care of it is. Yeah, there'll be a few of the, just kind of the wrinkles like you'll have in a leather coach or what have you, how they get worn, but there's no rips, tears, overly worn spots, just what you'd expect. If you'd like to know more about this car, or check out some of the still pictures underneath the interior of it, you can see them at uniqueclassiccars.com, or our number, of course, 507-386-1726. Feel free to give us a call. Maybe you got questions on transportation, or you're getting it to where you're located at. We can sure assist with that also. The tires probably don't have 5,000, 6,000, 7,000 miles on them. You can see, get over there, you can see how good a rub there is on it. So you won't have to worry about putting tires on right away if you purchase this vehicle. Slip around to the inside here. Check the exact miles for you. There's the door cards, there's your Bose system, power windows, power locks, power mirrors. Here you have the power seat, driver's side, and check on the leather. It's not worn, frayed, any holes, anything like that. Just what you'd expect out of a well taken care of Corvette interior. There's a 6-speed transmission. Let's check those exact miles. I think it's 44,000 or so. 46,790. The only light that should be on it just be my seat belt, because I'm not going to put it on. So I got in here. There's the heads-up display controls. Down here on the right side would be that telescoping wheel. Dual climate control, 6-speed, active handling button. Very nice car. It's not, full of modifications either. You can hear from the exhaust just what you'd expect out of a nice clean '99 Vet. Come around to the back so you can hear it. Center dump exhaust. Nothing obnoxious or anything there. Again, the website where you can see the still pictures, underside, interior, want to check out those still pictures closer, is uniqueclassiccars.com. And again, call us 507-386-1726. I'm going to pop this hood a second. I'm going to pause and pop the hood so you can see how clean it is underneath there too. There we go, got the hood pops in. Hear how smooth this engine runs, clean the engine bay is. Little trip too, being up in the Midwest here. If you look at these hood liners and see how clean they are, you can tell they haven't been driven in the rain or the gunk. So again, just a very, very clean '99 Corvette. Actually bought here 13 years ago and traded back in. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. And or once again, that website is uniqueclassiccars.com.